Hey guys, today I'll make traditional Japanese breakfast. This time I'll introduce how to cook rice, miso soup, and 4 side dishes. Grilled salmon, Japanese style omelette, simmered dried daikon radish, simmered hijiki seaweed. Let's get started. First of all, make dashi soup stock. Boil plenty of water and add dried bonito flakes. Turn off the heat after adding dried bonito flakes. Wait until the dried bonito sinks. Put kitchen pepper on the colander and strain the soup. The soup stock is also used for dishes other than miso soup, so make a lot of it. Then cut the tofu into 2 cm squares. Put 400 cc of dashi soup stock in a pan and heat it. When it boils, reduce the heat to low and add 2 tablespoons of miso. There are 2 types of miso, red miso and white miso. This time I'll use red miso. Add tofu and warm. Don't boil after adding miso because the scent of miso disappears. Serve in a cup and add wakame seaweed. Salted and dried seaweed is convenient. Next, make a Japanese-style omelette. Put 3 eggs in a bowl. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon mirin. And 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Warm the frying pan over medium heat. Add oil and spread thinly with kitchen paper. Add 1/3 amount of egg and spread over the frying pan. Roll the egg with surface still half-boiled. It's easy to do with turner. Does it look difficult? It's surprisingly easy, so give it a try. Oil the frying pan and add half the remaining eggs. Roll the egg in the same process. Repeat this. This dish is called dashimaki tamago, a juicy omelette with soup stock. This time I made 3 tablespoons of soup stock for 3 eggs. The more soup stock you add, the more delicious it is, but the harder it is to roll. Please challenge when you get used to it. Cut the omelette into pieces that are easy to eat. Served with grated daikon radish. Next, I'll make grilled salmon. This is a traditional Japanese barbecue stove called chilin. This will make charcoal. When the fire has settled, put the salted salmon on it. When grilled over charcoal, the fine infrared effect allows it to be grilled slowly from the inside, resulting in a delicious finish. However, it is difficult to prepare and clean up, so few households use it now. Next, cook the rice. This time I'll cook rice for 1 person, so the amount of rice is 180 grams. First of all, wash the rice. While changing the water, wash until the water is clear. Then soak in water for 30 minutes. Drain the water and put it in clay pot. Add 200 cc of water. Cover and heat over medium heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low. Please set the timer from here. Cook on low heat for 8 minutes. Never open the lid on the way. When it's time, turn off the heat and leave it for 10 minutes. This is to steam the rice with residual heat. Never open the lid at this time as well. If you use a clay pot, you can cook rice very deliciously. However, there are not many households that use this because it takes time and effort. Next, I'll make simmered hijiki seaweed. Soak 15 grams of dried hijiki in water for 30 minutes. Then cut the carrot. Peel and cut into one third. Cut into sticks with a width of 2 to 3 mm. Use 1/3 carrot. The rest will be used for another dish that will be cooked later. This is called aburage, which is fried tofu. Cut the fried tofu into 3 to 4 mm width. Hijiki rehydrated with water. It will be about 200 grams. Wash lightly and drain the water. Heat is 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in a frying pan. Add hijiki seaweed, carrots, and fried tofu and fry on medium heat for 3 minutes. This will remove the water from the hijiki seaweed. Add 200 cc of soup stock and seasoning. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons sake. 2 tablespoons mirin. 1 teaspoon sugar. And add 50 grams boiled soybeans. Simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes. Simmer until all the water is gone and it's done. Finally, make a simmered dried daikon radish. This is a traditional Japanese preserved food called kiriboshi daikon, which is dried shredded radish. Soak in water for 30 minutes to soften. 40 grams of dried radish will be about 200 grams. Squeeze and drain the water well. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Add dried daikon radish and fry to remove water. Add carrots and fried tofu and fry on medium heat for 3 minutes. Add 300 cc of soup stock and seasoning. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons sugar. And 2 teaspoons mirin. Simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes. Simmer until all the water is gone and it's done. It can be stored for several days, so it is convenient to make more. This is a garnished Japanese pickles. cucumber, radish, and carrot pickled in rice bran. It's called nukazuke. I'll show you how to make it in another video.